This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am at Breathless, Montego Bay in Jamaica, room 5514 in an Xhale Club presidential suite. So we're going to do a room tour. We do have full access to Secret St. James and Secret's Wild Orchid. This walkway right here takes you over to Secret's. So when you come in, very wide entryway. This is just a reflective glass. You have a bathroom over here. Nice big space, and we'll come back to that. First, this small bathroom. The lights are not flickering, it's just in the camera. I tried to take a video without the lights and it did not look very good, so we definitely needed the lights. We have a bar area with 4 chairs. This was waiting for us when we came in, along with some snacks and a little more to drink. There's lots of storage down here, just empty shelves, and same with on this side. And there's a drawer. Let's get a view from this angle. We have a small little room with a cooktop, a sink, coffee, an extra door, and that does just go out because I checked it. That is just a fuse box because I checked it as well. We have a mini bar, and this is all included because this is an all-inclusive resort. Trying to keep them away from the lights. Maybe that would help with the flickering. We have an amazing view, which again I will come back to. Lots of seating. This would be perfect. It sleeps 2, but if you have a friend group and one person wants to book this room and host all the friends and everybody, or a family wedding party, it's a great room to host additional guests, have your friends in, sit and have drinks before you go out for the night. So this is the bedroom, and it does have these that shut in case you did have visitors and you needed some privacy. And it does have a fan. There is some extra storage down there, as well as there's, obviously this room is massive, so there's tons of storage everywhere. They have yoga mats, which is not something, oops, that I've had at other resorts. So that was interesting. And there's two umbrellas and 2 yoga mats. And they do have slippers and robes for your stay. So again, plenty of storage. Trying to not knock this door. So you have a separate room for the toilet. There's a scale down here if you need to weigh your bags before you go, if you buy too many souvenirs. Hair dryer. And I forgot they did have, we need to go back into the bathroom or to the closet. They do have a steamer in here. Forgot to show that earlier. Lots of different things. Comb, dental kit, shave kit, shower cap, sewing kit, mosquito repellent. And we have a huge shower. Hold on, is that the only? Nope, there's a handheld in here. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And again, rain shower. And it does look through to that direction. As well as that one looks through as well. Absolutely beautiful bathroom. The entire room is just magnificent. So spacious. But we need to see the outside because this view is fantastic. There is loud music right now, and so I'm going to stop talking. So yeah, the room, there is music. I know it's not all the time. Oh, they're having a foam party. Foam down there, and there's foam floating around. So we have full access to Secrets as well as the rooftop pool. We have not been up there yet, but I've heard it's magnificent. So that is it. Breathless Montego Bay, Xhale Club, Presidential Suite.